Okay, so there you go. There's the update, the finished greenhouse. Obviously painstaking, you could probably do it a lot easier, but when you have skewer sticks, bamboo skewer sticks for free, cost you nothing. The string cost 60 baht, you know. I just put it together. Obviously there's easier ways of doing it. Probably could have put rubber bands all the way around. And I could get them for nothing too. Made it easier. But the rubber bands will just, after a while, will disintegrate. We'll see how the string goes and whatnot, but this helps. It's pretty good. So it keeps all the bugs off at night time anyway. So that was it, pretty much. Keeps it nice on a crappy day like it is today. It's not so great, very overcast. But it'll probably lift off and warm up anyway, make it nice and hot. But there you go. Anyway, like, share, subscribe. Somebody might want to do something like that. There'll be easier ways of doing these things. You know, you can get like a bucket and then put some of this over the top, lay it down with some stone or some wood cross section, you know, and easier, you know, and you can have a little bit of water in there, and that's going to stop any slugs from getting in anyway. Okay, like, share, subscribe, stay tuned for an update again. Okay, bye.